Let's make Hemingway in Eden. To make this drink, we are going to start with the Bacardí Rum, 2 ounces or 60 milliliters in the shaker. One ounce of Aperol. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. One ounce of fresh squeezed pineapple juice. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of lime juice, fresh squeezed of course, 30 milliliters. And 1/3 ounce of Demerara syrup, and this is a 1-to-1 syrup it's a simple syrup that uses Demerara sugar. Add some ice, and give it a shake. I am going to single strain this into an ice-filled Collins glass. Garnish is a lime wedge. Add a straw, if I can. Oh, and there goes my lime. Let's try that again. And there you have it, Hemingway in Eden. Drink with good spirits.